Hello dear students, once again I welcome you all virtual learning program. Today I am going to tell you new topic, that is missing numbers. We will learn missing numbers by giving examples. Here is number 2 and 4. Which number is missing between them? Number 3. Here is other examples. Look at here. Number 1, number 2. And what comes after number 2? Number 3. What comes after number 3? Number 4. Here is number 5, number 6. And what comes after number 6? Number 7. Then number 8. And what comes after number 8? Number 9. And what comes after number 9? 1, 0, 10. So students, I hope you have understood this topic. I will see you in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Stay safe and healthy.